Just a ship out on the ocean, a speck against the sky. Amelia Earhart flying that sad day, with her partner Captain Newman on the 2nd of July. Her plane fell in the ocean far away. There's a beautiful, beautiful field far away in a land that is fair. Happy landings to you, Amelia Earhart. Farewell, First Lady of the Air. Well, a half an hour later, an SOS was heard. The signal weak, but still her voice was brave. Oh, in shark-infested waters, her plane went down that night to the blue Pacific, to a watery grave. There's a beautiful, beautiful field far away in a land that is fair. Happy landings to you, Amelia Earhart. Farewell, First Lady of the Air. Well, now you've heard my story of that awful tragedy. We pray that she might fly home safe again. Oh, in years to come, while others blaze a trail against the sky, we'll ne'er forget Amelia and her plane. There's a beautiful, beautiful field far away in a land that is fair. Happy landings to you, Amelia Earhart. Farewell, First Lady of